Hello, my friends. We're going to work with our Legos again today. Or if you don't have Legos, maybe you have something else that looks like a tens rod. You have a pen maybe, or a pencil. And then you need some small pieces. And this looks a lot like the video we did last time. But today we're going to work with a different missing number. So today we're going to start with two of our numbers filled in on our number sentence. And we're going to find the missing addend, or the missing number. So let's read this together. 10 plus something equals 16. Usually we're trying to find the answer of our number sentence, but today I'm giving you the answer. And I want you to find the missing number here. What two numbers make up 16? If I know that one of them is 10, how many more do I need? Well, I can use my Legos to count those out. And remember, when we're using our tens rod, we don't need to start counting at 1. We can start counting at 10. So let's count on from 10. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, and that's where I stop because my answer was 16. So we have 10 plus this number equals 16. Well, what is this number? How many Legos did I count out? Do you see that? Can you subitize? What number does that look like? We could count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Or maybe you could subitize and see that 2 rows of 3 makes the number 6. Some of us probably can look at 16 and say, oh, I remember. The 1 is my 10, and this number is how many extras or how many ones I have. So if that's something you can do as I'm working these out, then I would like you to do the writing. So on your paper, maybe your parents are helping you write 10 plus, or maybe you're using that covered up paper and plastic like a whiteboard. Whatever you have in front of you, I want you to try to write the next one here. So I'm going to count it out. Can you write the number on your paper that belongs here? Show your mom or dad. Show grandma or grandpa. Big sister, big brother, maybe your dog. Show them what number you wrote. Let's see if you get the same number I get. 10, and we're counting up to 12. 10 plus something equals 12. 10, we count on. 11, 12. I stop there. How many ones did I have? Did you write down this number before I started counting? Good job. Did you see that in the number? 1, 10, and 2 extras, or 2 ones? All right, well, I'm going to move a little faster, and we'll go through these. If you have number cards at home, and you want to pause this and work through your number cards, you can, or you can just sit and work with me. Clear off our board, or make a new spot on your paper to write 10 plus a missing number equals 15. Count on from 10. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. What number belongs in the missing spot? Is this what you wrote on your paper? Did you look at my Legos and subitize? Does that look like a 5 to you? Good job. Let's clear our board or make a new spot. Ten plus something equals 13. What number belongs here? Do you see the pattern? Are you writing it right now? Let's see if you get the same number I do. Count on with me. 10, 11, 12, 13. What number did you get? Let's say it together. 10 plus 3 equals 13. I'll leave my 10 there. Let's pick a new number. 10 plus something equals 18. What number will we put there? Let's count on. Count with me. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. What's the missing number? I have 2 rows of 4. What number does that make? Did you write that on your paper? Read it with me. 10 plus 8 equals 18. Let's try this one. 19. That comes after 18. Let's do this a little differently. I remembered that 10 plus 8 was 18. And I know that 19 comes after 18, which means I need 1 more. Let's use that strategy and see if that makes 19. Count on with me. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. And how many Legos do I have there? I had 8, and 1 more makes 9. Good job. Now I'm going to do 17. 17. 2 less than 19. What if I took 2 away? What number would that leave here? Let's count on. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. I got to 17, but how many ones did I have? I see 4 and 3. What does that make? Do you see 7? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's right. And you remember our pattern, 10 and 7. 10 and 7. All right, friends, we have 2 more. All right, let's see what we need to make 14. If you know right away, write it on your paper. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. How many do we have there? 2 and 2. What does that make? 1, 2, 3, 4. Did you write a 4? Good job. And our last number. What do we need to make 11? Well, that's 1 more than 10, isn't it? So I have 1 10 and 1 1. And do we see that in our number 11? A 10 right there and a 1 right there. All right, well, you have just built all of our teen numbers with our missing addend. And parents, if you're wondering why we did this, this is a good way to start to introduce subtraction and some families. And we'll get to that in some more of our lessons. So keep your Legos around. Keep your homemade whiteboard around. And I will see you next time. Thank you.